news for our Friday. Thank you, Ed. And Christmas ties abound in the traffic center right now for good reason.
Yeah, our celebration of Christmas in July continues this morning. We've learned how to make some holiday-themed summer treats, where to snow tube, where to ice skate.
If you want to see these stories, they're at WBIR.com. We also visited a Christmas-themed store and hotel, but something is missing. Maybe just one thing.
WBIR 10 News reporter Leslie Ackerson finds out what Santa's up to this summer.
'Twas the July before Christmas, and at Santa's house, he's traded in his suit for a summery blouse.
You can't wear the big red furry thing up here in this heat. Nobody wants to see a sweaty Santa.
Catching Santa in sneakers and shorts is quite rare, but everyone deserves some sunshine, to be fair.
I go to a lot of different places, the Bahamas, Rio. Those places are a lot of fun. But I love just hanging out here in Sevierville, Pigeon Forge, right around in Sevier County. Hi, how are you? It's relaxing. It's really pretty here. The people are very friendly. How's it going, guys? I like the red color. Red is good on me, too. Oh, my.
Even in summer, there's still work for St. Nick. He's checking the list just real quick.
Ooh, there's Alfonso. There's Albert. And, oh, there's a new name on here. It's Abby Ham. I wonder which list it is, though. Naughty or nice?
With a big appetite, Santa stays well fed.
During the off season, I try to eat more salad.
Still, visions of sugar and sweet dance in his head.
Chocolate chip cookie dough ice cream. You know me and cookies. Boy, oh boy, oh boy. You're the best. I got it.
This jolly old elf enjoys the summer all right, for soon he will be shouting Happy Christmas to all, and to all a good night.
It's great to spread the Christmas joy all year long. And why not summer?
In Pigeon Forge, Leslie Ackerson, 10 News.
He is just the best.
You just swap out the cookies for the ice cream.
That's so cute. You know, he said, what list am I on, the naughty or nice list? And Rebecca Sweet yells, naughty.
Are you getting nervous? He's already looking.
Well, if you want to go to Pigeon Forge and see the Christmas place in person, he is the Santa Claus there. He is awesome.
So awesome. So to come here on 10 News today, we get to some breaking news.